Hello friends, welcome to online learning session. I am Miss ESD Kale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, KK Wagh College of Agriculture, Nasik. In today's session, we are going to see the pest analysis of agro-based industries. Pest analysis. A pestle analysis, formerly known as pest analysis, is a framework or tool used to analyze and monitor the macro-environmental factor that may have a profound impact on an organizational performance. This tool is especially useful when starting a new business or entering a foreign market. It is often used in the collaboration with other analytical business tools such as SWOT analysis to give a clear understanding of a situation and related internal and external factors. PESTLE is an acronym that stands for Political, Economic, Social, Technological and Environmental and Legal Factors. Here we can see the diagrammatic representation of pestle analysis. In this today's presentation, we are going to see only political, economic, social and technological factors. First one is political factors. These factors are all about how and what degree a government intervenes in the economy or a certain industry. Basically, all the influences that a government has on your business could be classified here. These can include governmental policy, political stability or instability, corruption, foreign trade policy, tax policy, labor law, environmental law, and trade restrictions. Economic factors. Economic factors are determinants of a certain economy's performance. Factors include economic growth, exchange rates, inflation rates, interest rates, disposable income of consumers, and unemployment rates. These factors may have a direct or indirect long-term impact on a company since it affects the purchasing power of consumers and could possibly change the demand and supply models in the economy. Consequently, it also affects the way companies price their products and services. Social factors. This dimension of a general environment represents the demographic characteristics, norms, customs, values of population within which the organization operates. These include population trends such as population growth rate, age distribution, income distribution, career attitudes, safety emphasis, health consciousness, lifestyle attitude, and cultural barriers. These factors are especially important for marketers when targeting certain customers. In addition, it also says something about the local workforce and its willingness to work under certain conditions. Technological factors. These factors pertains to innovations in the technology that may affect the operations of the industry and the market favorably or unfavorably. This refers to technology incentives, the level of innovation, automation, research and development activity, technological change, and the amount of technological awareness that a market possesses. These factors may influence decision to enter or not enter certain industries, to launch or not launch certain products, or to outsource production activities abroad. By knowing what is going on technology-wise, you may be able to prevent your company from spending a lot of money on developing a technology that would become obsolete very soon due to disruptive technological changes elsewhere. Thank you for your peaceful listening.